Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to Matsa Surba Online English Lesson. I'm Ratna Hidayati. This time we are going to learn things around us, things in my school. This is an English video lesson for grade 7 of SMP or MTS. Okay, as usual, before starting, let's say the dua together. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. May Allah let our heart be filled with light and insight and knowledge and understanding. The Islamic base of our lesson is Surah Al-Mujadilah, verse 11. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu idza qila lakum tafassahu fil majalisi fafsahu yafsahillahu lakum. وَإِذَا قِيلَ انشُزُوا فَانشُزُوا يَرْفَعِ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنكُمْ وَالَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ دَرَجَاتٍ وَاللَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ خَبِيرٌ. O you who have believed, when you are told, space yourself in assemblies, then make space. Allah will make space for you, and when you are told arise, then arise. Allah will raise those who have believed among you, and those who were given knowledge by degrees, and Allah is acquainted with what you do. This is the continuation of our video last time. Okay, last time we discussed about things in my house, and this time we are going to discuss things in my school. And here is the aim of our lesson this time. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify vocabulary related to things at school, social function and text structure of transactional text related to quantity and name of things at school, language features of transactional text related to things at school. They are singular and plural noun, there is or there are, it's or there are, and has or have. Now let's start by talking about things in a classroom. Please listen to me carefully and then repeat after me. A globe. A clock. A picture, an air conditioner, a board, a door, a window, a cupboard, a book, a table, a wall, a desk, a chair, a floor. Well, we can also state these things in a form of sentences. Okay, now please pay attention. There are many things in the classroom. There is a table for the teacher. There is a book on the teacher's table. There are 4 chairs. There are 2 desks. There is a cupboard in the classroom. There is a globe on the cupboard. There is a green board on the wall. There are 2 pictures on the wall. There is a clock on the wall. There is a door. Now please pay attention to the sentences one by one. I divide the sentences we have just have before into 2. They are sentences with singular noun, Okay, now let's have a look at the sentences. There is a table for the teacher. There is a book on the teacher's table. There is a globe on the cupboard. There is a green board on the wall. There is a clock on the wall. There is a door. Please pay attention on there is. Okay, the word there is here, okay, is pronounced as there's. Okay, so we can say there's a table for the teacher. There's a book on the teacher's table. There's a globe on the cupboard. There's a green board on the wall. There is a clock on the wall. There's a door. Okay, now let's pay attention on the word a. A here means one, right? So the nouns here, such as table, book, globe, green board, clock, and door, each of them are only one. Okay, each of these is only one. So only one table, only one book, only one globe, only one green board, only one clock, and only one door. Now let's continue to the sentences with plural nouns. Do you still remember? Plural means more than one. Okay, we have discussed this on the previous video. Okay, let's see the sentences one by one. There are 4 chairs. There are 2 desks. There are 2 pictures on the wall. Okay, because the nouns here, okay, all of them more than 4, more than 1. I mean. Okay, look at this. We use there are. Okay, so there are here is used for nouns that is more than 1. Okay, please take a look at the ending s. Okay, so the noun here, all the nouns here, okay, is added with s. It means that it's more than 1. Okay, look at this, the chairs. There are 4 chairs, more than 1, right? There are 2 desks, more than 1 desk. There are 2 pictures, more than 1 picture. In a list of things, we can also use sentences using it's. Okay, look at this sentence. It's a ruler. 1 ruler. It's a tube of glue. Only 1 tube of glue. It's a drinking bottle. See? Only 1 bottle. It's a sharpener. And it's a mat. Okay, so can you make a conclusion now? Okay, great. It's here is used to state in a sentence, yeah, for nouns that is only 1. Now, what about for noun that is more than 1? Right, we can use they are, or we can contract it into their. Okay, look at this example. They are pencils. Look, there are more than 1 pencil. So, we say they are pencils. They are books. They are a pair of scissors. Look at this. Although there is only 1 object, but scissors is different. We always say a pair because, okay, We cannot use scissors that is like a knife, right? Okay, scissors is always a pair. Yeah, so we say they are a pair of scissors. They are erasers. They are pens. Okay, now let's have an exercise. Okay, can you make sentences using it's or they are? Okay, to show the things that I keep in my school bag. Look at this. I will give you an example. I will start the sentences. Okay, look at this. This is my school bag. It's a backpack. Okay, it's a big backpack. Look at this. I use it's, right? It has a big space to keep many things. Okay, be ready for the exercise. Okay, what you have to do is, you have to state the things in my bag. Okay, look at the picture. I put things in my bag, right? My big backpack. Okay, look at this. Number 1, notebooks. Number 2, a calculator. Number 3, binder clips. Number 4, a pencil case. Number 5, pins. Number 6, a stapler. Number 7, a highlighter. Number 8, a lunchbox. Number 9, a compass. Number 10, paper clips. Okay, so it's time for you to make them into sentences using it's or they are. Okay, so you will have to make 10 sentences. Well, after doing the exercise, now let's go around the school. Look at this. Okay, it's a picture of a school. We are going to talk about parts of the school. Okay, this is our school. We have a big school, but we don't have a large schoolyard. Look at this. This is the principal's office. Our principal's name is Mr. Riyadi. He is in his office. We have a school office and a teacher's room. We have 14 classrooms and a library. We have a computer room and an art room. We have a music room and a playground. We have a school shop and a canteen. We have some lockers and some toilets. Okay, after having some sentences that is discussing about our school, now please pay attention on the use of has and have. Okay, look at the example here. Okay, this sentence I take from the exercise, right? It has a big space to keep many things. It has. Okay, we have a big school. We have. So we are going to talk about has and have. Okay, have or has, okay, is used to express something that is possessed, okay, possessed by. So it has. It here possess a big space. Yeah, it here. Do you remember what is it here? It's a bag, right? It's a backpack. Okay, Right, it has a big space. So the big space here is possessed by the backpack. Okay, we have a big school. Okay, we have the school here is our school. Okay, so we possess a big school. We have a big school. Well, we will discuss about has and have later on a different video. Well, we have come to the summary. Okay, the first one is to show the existence of object, we use there is for singular object and there are for plural object. To state or list the objects, we can use it for singular object and they are for plural object. And to show possession, we use has or have. Well, this is the end of this video lesson. Let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Thank you for your attention and see you again on my next video. Bye now. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.